There are dozens of certifications out there that companies like Google, Microsoft, and IBM will give you for free. The problem? Most of them are a complete waste of your time. So I went through all of them and I ranked the 7 that actually mean something. From the one I'd skip all the way to the one I'd put at the top of your resume tomorrow. And number 1 is not the one everyone tells you to get. Before we start, here is the rule I ranked these by. I call it credibility per hour. 2 questions for every cert. 1. Does a hiring manager actually recognize the name on it? And 2. How many hours does it cost you to get? A famous logo you can earn in an afternoon beats a no name course that eats a month. Everything on this list is genuinely free to learn. A couple only charge if you want the official proctored exam, and I'll call those out as we go. Let's count down. Number 7. Elements of AI. This one is from the University of Helsinki, and it's the most famous free AI course on the internet. Well over a million people have taken it. It's a gentle, no code introduction to what AI actually is and how it works. And you walk away with a real certificate backed by an actual university. So, why is it last? Because it's theory, not skills. It tells a recruiter you're curious, not that you can build anything. It's perfect if you have genuinely never touched AI in your life. But if you have, start higher up this list. Number 6, the Oracle Cloud AI Foundations Associate. Here's the interesting part. Oracle has been handing out the full learning path for free, with the exam attempt included, which is genuinely rare. Most of this list makes you pay for the real exam. The catch? Oracle's cloud is a distant fourth in the market, so the badge carries less weight than the big 3 names. One heads up, Oracle refreshes this exam every single year, and the current version retires in mid 2026. So always grab the newest one. A free, official, name brand cert for almost no effort. The only thing holding it back is the size of the name behind it. Number 5, Amazon's AI and Machine Learning Foundations on AWS Skill Builder. The training is free, you earn a badge, and AWS is the single biggest name in cloud computing, period. That logo gets noticed instantly. So, why only number 5? Because the free tier here is the foundations level material. The genuinely respected credential, the AWS Certified AI Practitioner, is a paid exam. So, you get a real Amazon badge for free, but the heavyweight version of it costs money. Still a great starting point, especially if you already live inside the AWS world. Number 4, Google Cloud's Generative AI skill badges. These are free and they are properly hands on. You are clicking through real labs in a live environment, not just watching videos. Each one earns a verifiable badge you can drop straight onto LinkedIn. This is where the list starts getting genuinely useful because now you're proving you can do something, not just that you watched something. The one knock. It's Google Cloud specific. So if your world isn't GCP, the skills transfer a little less. But the price is zero and the proof is real. Number 3, IBM's AI Foundations. IBM quietly runs one of the best free programs out there, and almost nobody talks about it. You get a real, verifiable badge, the kind that shows up on Credly with IBM's name stamped on it, for courses across AI, machine learning, and data. And the IBM name still carries serious weight, especially inside bigger, more corporate enterprise companies. It's completely free, the badge is legitimate, and it goes deeper than the pure theory courses lower on this list. This is the sleeper pick that most people completely overlook. Number 2, Microsoft's Azure AI Fundamentals. All of the training is free on Microsoft Learn, and the Microsoft name is about as universally recognized as it gets. Now, a quick but critical heads up. The old exam, AI 900, retires on June 30th, 2026. It's being replaced by a new one called AI 901 with the exact same certification name and the same beginner level. So if you study for this, study for AI 901. Do not waste a single hour on outdated AI 900 material. The training is free. The official exam is a paid, proctored test. And that paid exam is what turns this into a real, hiring manager recognized certification. For the Microsoft name, it's worth it. And number 1, the Google AI Professional Certificate on Coursera. Here's why it wins clean. It's free to enroll. It's 7 short courses you can move through fast. Most people finish in days, not months. It's hands on, built around real workplace AI tasks instead of abstract theory. And it has the single most recognized name in the entire field stamped right on it Google plus AI. Highest brand recognition, lowest time cost, real practical skills. That is the best credibility per hour on this entire list. And it isn't close. If you do one single thing after this video, start this one. So here is exactly how I'd play it. Complete beginner, never touched AI. Start with elements of AI, just to get your footing. Then everyone, go straight to number 1, the Google AI Professional Certificate. That is your anchor. Want to go deeper, still for free. Stack the IBM badge and the Google Cloud Labs on top of it. And only if a specific job actually asks for it. Pay for the Microsoft or AWS proctored exam. 3 free certs in that order. And you are already ahead of 90% of the people out there claiming they know AI. I put all 7 of these with the direct enrollment links, how long each one actually takes, and this exact study order into a free 1-page guide. Comment the word certify, and I'll send it straight to you. And if you want to go further, the paid guides linked in the description go deeper on actually building with these skills. If this saved you from wasting a weekend on the wrong certificate, follow Hyper Automation Labs right here on YouTube, on Facebook, and on Instagram. That's where I do the costly research so you don't have to. I'll see you in the next one.